Hey, in front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. After that, download this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Then click on I accept in this pop-up and manage all wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you can click on the top right corner over here and select the bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Apply and swipe up. Then click on Home button, and as you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!